My name is Rishabh Jain, and today I am going to present my project Grocery Waste Analysis for Grocery Store Expiration Tracking using Microsoft Azure and Power BI. The main objective of this project is to analyze grocery inventory data, identifying unsold products, calculate the total waste cost, and visualize business insights through an interactive dashboard. For this project, I used Data Lake Storage, Azure Databricks, Azure Data Factory, and Azure SQL Database, and Microsoft Power BI also. So let's me demonstrate the project. First, I uploaded the CSV file into Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. This storage acts as the source of my project. Instead of using a local file, the dataset is securely stored in Azure Cloud so it can be processed automatically. Next, I used Azure Databricks for data processing. I created a cluster and wrote a PySpark notebook. This is PySpark notebook. In this notebook, I read the CSV file from Azure Data Lake. I checked the schema of the dataset. I cleaned the transform and the data. I calculated important business metrics like total unsold quantity, and total waste cost. And finally, I prepared the transform dataset for reporting. Databricks helps process large amounts of data efficiently using Apache Spark. After processing the data, I used Azure Data Factory to automate the workflow. I created a pipeline that executes the Databricks notebook and load the processed data into Azure SQL Database. This automation removes the need to run the notebook manually every time new data is available. The transformed data is stored in Azure SQL Database. I verified processed data using the query editor. The database acts as the source of Power BI, allowing the dashboard to display the latest processed data. Finally, I connected Power BI to Azure SQL Database and created this interactive dashboard. At the top, I have four KPI cards: total waste cost, total unsold quantity, total stores, total categories. Below the API KPI cards, the bar chart compares waste cost across different stores. The donut chart shows the waste distribution across different product categories. The column chart displays the unsold quantity by category. The table provides detailed information for every store and category. I also added slicers for store and category, allowing users to filter the dashboard interactively. This dashboard helps business and identify stores with high waste, understand category-wise losses, and make better inventory decisions. This project demonstrates the end-to-end Azure data engineering pipeline. The complete workflow is through this project, I gained practical experience in cloud data engineering, data transformation, automation, SQL, and business intelligence. Thank you for watching my project presentation.